Hello and welcome on the shitty unboxing. I have today, I hope, not a big deal though, but a Petrol generator, 800 watts from Amazon, one of the cheapest, I think the cheapest, 200 pounds. Ooh. Shit. I know that you're gonna get a screwdriver and some basic accessories that might be useful, like average clamps for 12 volts, user manual, doesn't smell that cheap, rubber legs. Seems to be pretty solid and surprisingly small, although it's still pretty heavy. And this is everything from this short unboxing, because I don't have any petrol or any oil. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, I got some light. Even more light. After 2 years of getting that generator, this is one of my another service. There is still some petrol inside, but I'm going to a recycling center tomorrow to drop the used engine oil, so I was thinking I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you how to do that simple oil change. Pour the petrol out and then the engine oil. And it's also using the same oil as my every other engine, so I'm using the same one. This is how it's running.